See how beautiful that looks? Look, guys. Hey everybody, hey, what's up everybody, what's up, people? Coming to you live, House of X Entertainment presents, it's me, Winston, yes, honey, coming to you now live. What's up Twitter family, what's up YouTube family, what's up Facebook family, and my Instagram peoples, what you guys doing out there? It's me, Winston, yes honey, it's now live. Hey everybody, hey, what's up everybody, what's up? Hey you guys, welcome back to another amazing Cook With Me. It's me, Winston, yes. So today's a special one. We are doing a new show called What's for Dinner? Yes, guys, so before we begin, we're going to wash our hands. Alright? And we're going to turn up our oven to 400 degrees. Alright? Okay, so our oven is preheating. So what we're going to make for dinner today, guys, we're doing a roast. A chicken roast, guys. Alright, let me just make sure I'm not echoing here. One moment. Okay, we're doing a chicken roast, guys. Alright? So, say hello to the whole chicken. See? Alright, so it's already sitting in some vinegar. Alright. Alright, so it has been sitting in some vinegar with some lime and salt. So we're going to make sure we clean this really nice. Okay. Alright. So what we're going to do is, now that we have cleaned it and take off all the fat and everything, alright, we're just going to wash it one more time. Okay, we're going to get a nice little small knife like this, and we're going to stick it so that, our seasons can marinate in there. Okay? Yeah, so that's what we want to do, just to make sure all of our seasons can go in there. Alright? Again, let's drain off the excessive water. Okay? Alright? So now, we're going to season our chicken. So what we're going to need for this is some adobo seasoning. Alright? And we're going to use some onion powder. Alright? And then we're going to do some garlic powder. Okay? And we're going to do some paprika. Alright, guys. And we have here some black pepper. Okay? So now we're going to rub all of this in to make sure it gets on both sides. Rub it in really nicely. Alright? We're going to rub it in really, really nice. Rub it in really, really nice, guys. All right, and let's wash our hands here because we're all going to stuff our roast here. So that's why I have the celery, I have the green pepper, and also onion and one pepper, guys. So to give this roast a nice little glaze, what we're gonna do is just put a little bit of olive oil. All right, just so that it can be nice, soft, and tender. We're gonna just rub some olive oil on it. You can also use butter, but I'm using olive oil because it's a little more healthier. All right, so we're just gonna rub some olive oil. All right, on there. And now, what I'm gonna do is get some sofrito, Goya sofrito. All right, you just need 1 scoop of this. Leave your spoon in there because you're gonna need it for your rice. And then cooking base, 1 scoop of that. Okay, leave your spoon in there because you're gonna need it for your rice as well. All right, and we're gonna rub this on. Okay, make sure you do it for both sides. All right. Okay. It gets a little messy, guys, but you know, in the end, it'll come out really nice. So, what we're also going to put in you're also going to need is 1 pack of Szechuan seasoning. You're going to need 2 for your rice. Okay. So that's what we're going to need, guys. All right. So 1 pack of Szechuan seasoning. Again, you're going to mix it on both sides. You're going to mix it on both sides. All right. Then we're going to use Campbell's cream of chicken. All right. This is going to give it that nice texture that you want. All right. Hold on 1 second, guys, because I got to get me a spoon. All right. Okay. So this is going to give it that nice texture, and it's also going to make it very tasty. Okay. It's also going to give it that nice texture that you want. Okay. So we're going to mix this as well, front and back. Okay. Front and back. Also, so front and back, guys. You want to make sure that you mix it well. So now that you mixed it, again, it's messy. Make sure that you wash your hands each time, or you can also use gloves. However, I don't use gloves, so make sure that you wash your hands each time. It gets a little messy, so make sure that you wipe down your corners and you wash your hands. Okay, so now we're going to transfer our chicken into our pot here. So you can use a baking pan, a skillet. However, I'm just going to spray it a little bit. Okay. And we're going to transfer it into our pan here. All right. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave my base in here because I have to chop up the onions and the peppers and stuff. So I'm just going to put this over here on the stove. So, yes, so that's going to sit there. And this is going to go in the trash. Hold on a moment. Okay. All right, guys. So let's wash off this cutting board. All right. Okay. All right. So now that's done, what we're gonna do is how did I do it tonight? Okay, there it is. We're going to cut up our celery, and we're gonna put all of our onions and peppers and stuff in here. Also our potato, and we're gonna stuff it inside of the chicken, guys. Okay? So we only need a little bit of the celery. We don't need a lot. So just a little bit of celery, because we only want this for flavor. So just a little bit of celery. Alright. Okay. And then put this in there. And then after you've done that, we're going to do our onion. Let's do our pepper. You only need a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. We can do it if we try. Just a little bit. Now, I can't sing, y'all. Y'all know your boy Leo is the person that sings, guys. Also, check out his channel, guys. Alright? An amazing channel. He does gaming on there. So make sure you check him out. Alright, so you just want to chop this up a little bit. So, chop this up just a little bit. Okay, so once you do that, then we're gonna put that there, and then after we done that, we're gonna get the onion. All right, and we're gonna need the onion and also the pepper for our rice as well, guys, because we are making red rice. So this time I'm going to wash my onion, because I do not need to be crying in the kitchen. Who cries in the kitchen, guys? Okay? Who cries in the kitchen? All right, so we're gonna chop this up. All right. All right. So okay. Now that we have that chopped up, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a potato. We're gonna do the same thing for the potato. Let's cut it. All right. Okay. All right. Okay, and now we're just gonna cut the potato in small pieces, guys. Small pieces. Alright. Also, guys, shout out to all the cooking channels that, all of us that cook. We have our own little passion when it comes to cooking. And it's not easy, guys, when you're cooking. So we hope that you guys enjoy our content. Alright, so this goes here. All right, and now what we're gonna do is let's bring our chicken back over here, and we're gonna stuff our chicken right in this thing in the here. Okay, so let's mix it all together. So we're gonna mix all of this together. All right, we're gonna mix all of this together. Okay, and what we're gonna do is just lift this a little bit, and we're just gonna stuff it in there. All right, we're gonna stuff it in there. Okay, we're just gonna stuff this in here. Okay. Sometimes people either put like stovetop stuff in, or they put like they make a dressing and they put it in here. So you can do that as well if you like. And then the rest of this, guys, we can put it on top. We can put it on top. All right. The rest of this we can put on the top. Yes. Okay. And what I'm gonna do is just get some butter to sprinkle, and then we will be good. Hold on one moment. Okay, I got the butter. All right, we're ready to put this in the oven. So we're just gonna sprinkle some butter on the top and on the side. That way, you know, it melts away. Leave the butter out because you're gonna need it. So now we're ready to put her in the oven. Okay, guys. So we're gonna wash this. Get our sink nice and clean. All right. Okay. Hold on. Okay. So get our sink nice and clean. Okay, guys. So now we're gonna do our rice, guys. I will tell you guys in a moment what you need. Let's just get all this out of the way. All right. Okay, so we're just gonna leave that there for now. Okay. So for our rice, what we're gonna need is, okay, again, get your coffee cup, you know, or you can get a measuring cup. You're gonna measure about 1 serving of whatever type of rice that you use. If you use the jasmine rice, you use the Carolina Golden, or you use Uncle Ben's, whatever kind of rice that you use is fine. Just read the back of the rice for the ingredients, and it should tell you how much water to put in and how much rice you should put in. Okay? So we're gonna put 1 cup of the Carolina Golden. All right? And then for this rice, we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of the sofrito. Okay? All right? And then we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of the cooking base. We're gonna need the spoon in there because we need to stir the rice. All right, and then we're using the Goya red beans. I'm sorry, guys. I just love Goya brand, so I think almost everything I have is basically Goya brand. Yeah. So or you can use, you know, whatever kind of beans that you buy. It's up to you, but I like the Goya brand. Yeah. I think it's because, guys, I grew up on Goya, so that's the only thing my mom bought was Goya brands. Alright, so we're gonna put 2 slices of butter. If you have the spread, just use like one scoop of the spread. So we're gonna also put some onions and peppers in here. So you want to make sure that you chop this up really fine, because we don't need no chunky onions and peppers in our rice. Okay, so chop it up really nice. Okay, so about this is good, guys. Okay, let's do the onion. All right. Okay, so now we're gonna chop this up. Okay. Now that we've chopped that up, we're going to season our rice. We're going to go in with some garlic powder. And then we're going to go in with some adobo seasoning. Okay. And we're going to go in with some paprika. And some onion powder. Okay. Let's do some black pepper. We're going to put our 2 Szechuan seasonings in there. Okay. All right. Okay. After we've done that, what we're going to do is you can use the dry bay leaves or you can use the fresh bay leaves. However you want to do it, it's fine. So we're going to put about 2 or 3 leaves of the bay leaves in there. Okay. The bay leaves is to give your rice flavor and taste for the bay leaves, guys. You know, after the food is done, make sure you take out your bay leaves. We're going to put some fresh thyme in the rice. And make sure you take this out after the rice is done. So we're going to put some fresh thyme in there. Okay. And then we're going to put some minced garlic. Okay. All right. About 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. All right. And then we're going to go in with some olive oil. Okay. Just about a cup of olive oil. All right. And now what we're going to do is mix all of this together. All right. We're going to mix all of this together. We're going to mix all of that together, guys. Okay? So now it's well mixed. Make sure that you mix it well. This is going to go on a low fire because you don't want it to burn. So we're going to put about 1.5 cups of water on a low fire. All right? Just on a low fire, guys. There you go. So about 1.5 cups of water. And we're going to let this boil. Let this cook down and everything. Once our grains are soft, we're going to turn it off. All right. You can taste your water to make sure it's flavorful. Okay. Now for our veggies, guys. Over here, where we have our veggies, guys. We're going to do some mixed vegetables, guys. Okay? All right. Hold on 1 second. So let me get that. keeping it simple today. We're gonna do some mixed vegetables. Frozen mixed vegetables. We're gonna do it very simple today. Yeah. So we're gonna do some frozen mixed vegetables. Alright, this has cauliflower, some carrots, and some peas. Alright. So we're gonna just put a little bit of onion powder in here and call it a day. We're also gonna do some adobo seasoning, and that should be good. Just add a little black pepper for taste. Okay. And then we're gonna do 2 drops of butter, and then that should be good. Yeah, 2 drops of butter. Okay. And we're gonna add some water. Alright. So now what we're gonna do is just turn on our fire to medium heat. Let this cook down, guys, and we will be back. Hey, you guys. As you all can see, our rice is done. See how beautiful it looks? So what we're going to do is just add a little bit of parsley. This is dry parsley for our garnish. All right. We're just going to turn it down just a little bit. So we're just adding a little bit of parsley for our garnish. All right. I have already taken out our thyme and our bay leaves out of there. So we're just mixing this around. All right. You may see a little bit of bay leaves in there, but that's okay. And our vegetables over here is done. All right, guys. So now we're going to take out our lovely chicken. Okay. Hold on. All right, guys. Look at that. There is our chicken. All right, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer the chicken into this bowl so that I can use the... See how nice and soft it is, guys? That's how you want your roast. All right, and we still have the juice and everything. So I'm transferring my roast into this bowl. All right. See, we have the juice for our rice to go over the rice. Okay. All right. So we have the juice that's going to go over our rice. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we are going to plate, guys. Yes. Are you guys ready to eat? Okay, so now let's go and we're going to cut this. This is really nice and soft. See how this is? Really nice and soft, guys. So we're going to cut this. Okay. We're going to turn off our fire here. All right, guys. Look at that. Yes. Okay. Look at this amazing food. Yes, look at that, guys. Now we're going to put our rice. And then we're going to do our vegetables. Okay. All right. Okay. And then just give me a moment. I'm going to put some gravy on this. And then we'll be good. 1 second, guys. All right. Okay. And there we have it, y'all. See, guys? We have roasted chicken, some red rice and beans, and we have some mixed veggies, guys. There we have it. See how beautiful that looks? Look, guys. All right, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Make sure you put it on all. All right, guys. Remember to pray for those that you see and pray for those that you don't see. Love you guys. What's up, Twitter family? What's up, YouTube family? What's up?